Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today, because it's Friday, we have dessert with cream cheese, and it's really fluffy and delicious and really easy to prepare. And I will need 125 grams of cream cheese for this, 30 grams of cornstarch, 45 grams of flour, 3 eggs, 110 grams cream, 75 grams of powdered sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. In a metal bowl, I'm gonna mix that cream with cream cheese, and I'm using a metal bowl because I don't want these to crack. I used to use glass ones and always crack them up. Add powdered sugar over and put all of these ingredients above another pot in which we have hot water, and mix it over there until cream cheese starts to dissolve nicely, and we're gonna end up with a homogeneous mixture. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that word pretty good, but I think you understand what I want to say. In the meantime, I'm gonna separate the egg whites. I'm gonna have them in the mixer bowl because we're gonna whisk them up, and egg yolks, I'm gonna mix them with cream cheese and the cream, so the other mixture. Don't forget to add vanilla extract and cornstarch and flour as well, and mix them up with a spatula. So I added vanilla extract, and with the mixer start mixing egg whites until are really nice and fluffy, and pour that mixture with cream cheese over egg whites gradually, and mix it really good. Pour this batter in a loaf tin, a pretty small one, and don't forget to preheat the oven at 200 Celsius because we're gonna bake the cake in a preheated oven. As you can see, I have the silicone mold in another loaf tin because this silicone mold in the oven tends to lose their shape. So this way, using the other metal loaf is keeping the shape nicely. Put all of them in another tin in which you pour hot water, and bake the cheesecake in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Make sure to do the toothpick test to see that that is for sure baked. Take it out from the silicone mold and let it cool down, and it's ready to be served. Powder it with sugar and slice it up nicely. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already. Give thumbs up to the recipes, and also comment down below and give me suggestions, and I cannot wait to read your comments. Have an awesome day, find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.